Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Yeah, same to you, same to we, same to all. Same the same. Alright? All my customer in America, Europe, Asia country, we say Merry Christmas. Happy New Year in advance. Alright, we still remain Austin Global. Yes, so I want to show you a very smart face cream that you can make for yourself for this Christmas. Yes, this is another secret. Judith, now you say make I do one for now. I've done it before some while ago, but maybe check. But I won't repeat the same way, then tweak them a bit, to make it more okay for us. A very good one. I will be doing a face cream. Work with me the same way, and we'll be using our Seppi White. This Seppi White. You all know this one, but not the white one, please. Yes, use this particular one. All right, we have different type of Seppi White if you don't know. So a quick one, the Seppi White one. Yes, don't begin. So don't forget, in case you want to ask a question, make sure you ask me but don't fight me with your question, please. In as much as I take questions, don't fight with the questions. When I mean don't fight me, you that did that the other day, you know yourself, and I don't block you. Bye bye. All right, Seppi White one. Then you go with this one. I just want to let me put them in my hand. I will be using our Quick Clear, very good for face cream. Quick Clear, right, and our BB Clear. We're going to mix these three. If you're looking for a very smart face cream, if you know how to make face cream, and you don't have this inside your face cream, oh please, make sure you'll be having this inside your face cream for henceforth, all right? Your BB Clear and your Quick Clear also, and your Seppi White. Then you will now add one of these, pimentos. You add one pimentos, very fantastic. The combination we are making is very simple because we just want to deal with the smoothness of the face and at the same time achieve the whitening, extremely whitening. It's not like you make it within 2 weeks, no, 3 weeks, no. We don't want to do that because this is S-Mass. We just want something we'll use now. When we use it now, in the next 2-3 days, people will see result. All right, it's very good. This pimentos, if you've not been using it, I told you are missing. It's very good. So when you add your pimenton one, you will add your BB Clear. You add one too, and you add your Quick Clear one, and also you will add your Seppi one. Yes, I just finished production and I'm having my glove in my hand. Then above all, if you're not using, I told you, this is what will always make it 3 days whitening for you. If you're not using this blend product, if you've not heard about it, I'm not telling you about it now. Make sure you always use this for your body lotion. You always use it for your face lotion, for your face cream. What do you want to use it? You can use it to mix your soap. Yes, whatever how you want to use it. This is very good, very good. This is the activator, blend product, 3 days activator. Bam, it will just come up. All right, then you cannot add your, if you want to anyway, this one is optional. You cannot add your carotene. So people they say, oh God, I'm allergic to carrot. But because we've used some up to 3 face cream that can remove dark spot, that can remove pimples, that can remove every yama from your face. So if you want to skip this, you can skip it. Other than that, I advise you to add it anyway because it's very fantastic. You understand? Who told you that it's not fantastic? It's fantastic. All right, in a quick one, we cannot use our clean cap. Yes, we cannot use our clean cap. This is the gel anyway. Might be, if your face, if you know that you're allergic to this because it's harsh. It's very, like we have the other one. So I was supposed to sample you the other one. I just finished using it. So you can use this, a bit of this, or you use the other one. All right. So it's optional also. Now we can now talk about this our Gluta C serum. citron, lemon. You cannot use just like a drop of this. Yes, use a drop of this. Very fantastic. Now we can come, which of the tube I want to advise you to use. Please don't forget, I will always advise you to use your pata. Yes, very good. All this, I just don't want to, like, I just want this video to be short. If not, I could have been telling you the details and all details of details. You understand? But with this is okay. You see what I've shown you. Use one tube of this, all right? Then again, don't mind deciding the big people that done the pass, you know. Then again, to make this thing unique and calm, you put your skin-free milk. Yeah, just put at least 3 spoons of your skin-free milk. Then add your what is it called? Beta cream. You know, three beta cream. Add 1. All right, just add 1. It's a quick one. It's what you can do. Just add 1. Then to regulate everything, I would want you to see this. Whoever produces this is very good because I use it. It's not my brand. I use it, so it's nice. So I would advise you to use it. Diamond Face Glow. Very nice. If you've not heard about it, use it now. Or are you getting it? It's very good. Very good. Okay, then you will not use your Olebat. Yes, Olebat is one of these. I count on this. And you can see all these things are there. No, very good. All these things you see. If you know you're having them, you cannot talk. Talk. It helps to talk, man, and get solution. A problem talk, a problem share, a problem discuss is a problem solve. You understand? So you add 1 of this, add 1 of this. It will very, because it helps to regulate every yama or whatever. It just bind them and control them, you know, take them off every side effect. Are you getting it? It regulates your lotion or your face cream. It's very good. Be using it. So now somebody said, is glycerin bad to use on the face? It's not bad anyway. Yes, it's not bad because it's still a moisturizer. Forget the fact that people say whitening glycerin. I told you some time ago that there's nothing like whitening glycerin except you alone customize it to be whitening. Glycerin is glycerin, all right? So don't let them say this is whitening glycerin, unless it's been customized, unless it's been tampered with, it's been mixed. All right, I'll say it again. So you can use any of them. Then you add your preservative. You know, you add your preservative. Then you blend. All right, and your fragrance as well. Then you blend. We've come to the end of the class. Nothing more. Very easy. You understand? I'm not too fast about it. If you know you don't see it properly, you can just rewatch the video, watch till you get it right. Trust me, and it's just easy. All right, just a smart and simple face cream will just land now. If you're in UK, Europe, Asia country, you know, America, inside America, anywhere you do, my fans, I greet you all. We've come to the end of the class. We ship everywhere. And all this I just said, don't forget, original product is better than fake product. Don't use because of, I don't know, this thing's high, a bit high, and go buy or a fake one. Other than that, your face will be like this burnt face that just pop up now. Boom! That's why your face will look like. Don't let your face be like that, please. For this face cream, make sure you get the right original ingredients from Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare, and enjoy.